Guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll share with you guys a magical homemade face serum which is perfect to remove the pigmentation, dark spots and hyperpigmentation problem from your skin. This serum is made up of all natural ingredients and is highly effective in removing all the skin problems like dark spots, acne, scars, pimples, pigmentation and hyperpigmentation problem easily at home, and within just few uses of this face serum you will see effective results on your skin. So now let's see how to prepare this magical dark spot and pigmentation removal serum. So to prepare this serum we firstly gonna need vitamin E oil, and here I'm taking 2 teaspoons of vitamin E oil in a clean bowl. Next up you're gonna need glycerin, and now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoon of glycerin into it. After adding the glycerin we'll just give a good stir to it so that both the ingredients could mix easily. And now we are adding the next ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel, and now I'm adding half a teaspoon of aloe vera gel into it. And now after adding the aloe vera gel we are gonna need rose water, and here I'm adding approx 1 teaspoon of rose water into it. And after adding the rose water just give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all mix with each other nicely. Now it's the time to add the last ingredient, which is the potato juice, and here I'm adding 1 to 2 teaspoons of potato juice into it. And after adding the potato juice you just need to give a good mix to all these ingredients so that they all combine with each other nicely and makes a smooth consistency paste. And after mixing everything really well, your homemade magical serum for dark spots and pigmentation removal is ready, and it will look something like this. This serum should be of runny consistency and should be so much smooth and glowing as I'm showing you in the video. So this serum is highly beneficial to treat dark spots, acne scars, pigmentation, hyperpigmentation, acne, and also to remove pimples from your skin, as it has all the natural ingredients into it, which makes it best to work for the acne prone skin as well. So this serum has it all. So if you have pimples, acne, then you can also use this serum. If you have dark spots or pigmentation or hyperpigmentation problem, then also you can use this serum to just improve your skin quality. And to store this serum you need any airtight container. Here I'm just taking this glass container which is a dropper. So I've just stored this serum into this glass dropper. And to use this serum is supremely easy. You just need to apply a few drops of this serum onto your fingertips. Just massage it between your fingertips and apply it onto your skin. And gently massage your skin for few seconds in circular motion so that the serum goes deeply into your skin and gives you the best results. So you have to use this serum 2 times a day, one in the morning and the other before going to bed for best results. So yeah, that's it for this video. I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and if you like it then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yeah, that's it for today. I'll see you guys super soon with a brand new video. Till then, bye bye, take care.